Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this surface cleaning brush from Parkside, the model PFRB 26A1, for effective and powerful cleaning of stubborn dirt over small and medium-sized areas. Holder angle 45 degrees, 360 degrees rotatable brush head, max pressure 180 bar, working pressure rated pressure max 150 bar, input temperature max 60 degrees Celsius for tiles, concrete, stone, wood, metal and plastic. Accessories included, adapter system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Included we have two extensions, the main unit. Here we have a rubber lip, I like it, the brush, three outlet water nozzles. Here it is the side nozzle. And we have then the valve, open and close, for the side nozzle. And of course that you can rotate 360 degrees rotation. The coupling nut. And of course we have this adapter. If you have your own high pressure washer, not a Parkside, you can use this adapter, the coupling nut, and connect that here and rotate. And it locks, then connect your own high pressure washer. Rotate and lock. It is very tight, I like that. No water leaking. And of course you can connect the two extensions, press, lock, and with the coupling nut tight it very well. It will stay very secure. The same and here. Press, rotate, use the coupling nut, tight it very well, and then you can connect that at the Parkside high pressure washer gun. And again use the coupling nut, secure very well. There it is. I like it. It has a robust housing. I like the extension. It feels very premium product. And of course if you want you can use only the one extension and then connect the high pressure gun. It is your choice, it depends the height you want to use. So let's move on outdoors and see how it works. It is a multitasking cleaning brush for any surface. Just use a pressure washer from Parkside, the newest model you can check right in the corner, or from other brands with the adapter, and it has a good pressure from the nozzle to clean. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.